Welcome back to SK Car World. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda HR-V, a compact SUV that blends style, technology, and versatility like never before. Honda has truly revamped this model to appeal to drivers looking for a practical yet modern ride. Right off the bat, the 2025 HR-V catches your eye with its sleek, aerodynamic design. It features sharp lines, a bold front grille, and LED headlights that give it a confident, upscale presence on the road. Compared to previous versions, this model looks more mature and refined, signaling Honda's shift towards a more premium feel in the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, the HR-V offers a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers smooth acceleration and decent fuel efficiency. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, this setup is tuned for city driving and highway cruising, offering a balanced combination of power and economy. The all-wheel drive option is also available, enhancing stability and grip in varying road conditions, making it a solid choice for adventurous drivers. Step inside, and you'll notice Honda's focus on comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials and clever storage solutions that maximize utility. The seats are comfortable for long trips, and the rear Magic Seat system allows for multiple cargo and seating configurations, making it incredibly versatile for everything from groceries to sports gear. Tech-wise, the 2025 HR-V shines with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive and responsive, keeping you connected without distractions. Other features include a digital instrument cluster, available wireless charging pad, and multiple USB ports, ensuring all your devices stay powered on the go. Safety is a major highlight for the HR-V. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, a comprehensive suite of driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These features work seamlessly to provide a confident and stress-free driving experience, especially in heavy traffic or on longer journeys. Ride quality is another strong point. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough patches effortlessly, giving passengers a smooth and quiet ride. Steering feels precise and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in tight city streets or on winding country roads. In terms of fuel economy, the HR-V performs admirably. It's designed to deliver excellent miles per gallon, which is a big plus for daily commuters looking to save on gas without compromising on capability. Overall, the 2025 Honda HR-V stands out as a versatile, stylish, and tech-savvy compact SUV. Whether you're navigating urban environments or heading out on weekend adventures, it offers a balanced package that caters to a wide range of lifestyles. With its modern design, efficient performance, and advanced safety features, it's clear why the HR-V continues to be a popular choice in its class. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more details or want to see the HR-V in action, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.